Welcome to Dreadysays. This video is just a quick introduction about what I do, who I am, and the direction that the channel is going to go in. So I've been going for 18 months now, just over a year and a half. Started with SUP reviews and now be moving into winging as well, doing the landboarding and the foiling. And there'll be more photography and videography sort of reviews and how-tos coming up, including how to set up your studio. A lot of my kit and a lot of my reviews revolve around trying to get the best possible results you can on the smallest budget. So if, like me, you started out with not a lot of kit, I slowly grew all my kit until I got where I am today, where I'm actually happy with everything. And if, like me, you want to try and get your gear to be better than you are so you can grow into it. But anyway, this is the channel, Dreadysays. Please like and subscribe and check out the content. Any questions, any comments, please fire them down below. I am checking this daily, so I will get straight back to you. And thanks for stopping by. All right, guys, take care.